Good afternoon, guys. Stan and Alex here from Extreme Motorsport LLC, Waltham, Massachusetts. We have here a Mazda RX8 that was towed in by a dealer friend of ours who bought the vehicle at an auction. The vehicle did not run or drive. What we discovered is the vehicle was flooded. So what we did initially is we did the usual, the plugs, coils, we did the deflooding procedure, and we got the vehicle to start, but it had very little to no power. And after further diagnostic, what we found, this vehicle has 3 solenoids which look like this. And these solenoids, they are responsible for 3 functions. The solenoids work for the secondary air injection, they operate the evap system, and they also operate the intake flap on the manifold, on the intake manifold. And we did a lot of research trying to see if anybody has any write-up or information about replacing the solenoids, and there was no good information, so we figured we would share it with you, and we hope that this can help somebody out. The solenoids are located underneath the intake manifold. Hope you can see this one solenoid right here, the one that we have not removed yet. And access is actually quite easy. It seems as if the manuals and all the information on the internet shows up that you have to do a lot of removal, and we found that you don't. What we found is you can pretty much just unbolt your oil, transmission fill tube. This is an automatic vehicle, and pretty much gain access to these solenoids, and they can be replaced. And we will replace these solenoids and give you an update and show you if that has corrected the lack of power that this vehicle has. And we'll see you shortly. Thank you.